こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today kanji video number 22 of Jlpt N4. This kanji is the verb to wait, 待ちます to wait, but also we can pronounce in onyomi, tai. The stroke order is very easy. Maybe you can imagine it. At first, this left part, this is called gyoninben. 1, this red one, and 2, a little bit longer, and 3, this blue one, 3. Now the right part, this is temple, otera, tera. At first we're gonna write this one, tsuchi, soil. This one, 1, green one, 2 in the center, 2, and 3. This black line is the longest. And now the next one is this blue line. This is shorter than this black one. 1, and now this green line, this is not in the center, but you must go a little bit to your right. And from here, straight down and jump, and this red one, like this. Using this verb, 待ちます, we can say the sentence, wait a second. ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待って。Rendezvous or meet up. 待ち合わせ。This 待ち, this comes from 待ちます to wait. 合わせます to get together. So 待ち合わせ meet up. The verb to make an arrangement and meet. To meet up with someone. In this case, we can say in two ways. 待ち合わせします, just adding します, third group. Or 待ち合わせます. In this case, this is second group because just before ます, this is the sound of せえ. 待ち合わせします。待ち合わせする。待ち合わせして。待ち合わせした。待ち合わせしない。待ち合わせます。待ち合わせる。待ち合わせて。待ち合わせた。待ち合わせない。meeting place, meeting spot, meeting point. 待ち合わせ場所 or 待ち合わせの場所。meeting time or appointment time. 待ち合わせ時間 or also you can say 待ち合わせの時間。Let's meet up in front of the station at 6. 6時に駅の前でを駅前で待ち合わせしましょうを待ち合わせましょう。6時に駅の前で待ち合わせしましょう。6時に駅前で待ち合わせましょう。Waiting room 待合室 I think you already know this kanji 室 means the place but closed place such as 教室 classroom. So in this case 待合室 This is waiting room. Now in onyomi this kanji we can read tai. So 招待を招待します to invite. The kanji meaning, the first one, 招 this is 招く to welcome, to invite, to welcome someone. Tai to wait. So I invite and I wait. This is 招待。招待します to invite someone. Invitation card or invitation letter. 招待状。招待状。I sent my friend an invitation card of my wedding. 友達に結婚式の招待状。結婚式の招待状を送りました。友達に結婚式の招待状を送りました。Expectation, hope. This is the noun. 期待 only this one. 期待 The verb to expect, to hope. 期待します Only we add this します Then this is the verb. I don't expect anything from him. 彼には何も期待していません。期待していません。彼には 何も期待していません。This kanji comes from the verb 借ります to borrow 借りますか and also 音読み is 尺 The stroke order is very easy. I think nearly you understand it. At first, this one 人弁 it's like E from katakana 1 and 2 Now the right part is called 作り変 and 作り and in this case, this is the kanji of 昔昔 long ago. At first, this blue line a little bit going up, and now this green one, 2 and 3. And now this fourth line, the black line, this is the longest. Long, quite long. And now here, this is kanji of 日 or 日曜日, the Sunday or the sun. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I borrowed the book in the library. 図書館で本を借りました。図書館で本を借りました。Debt, loan, 借金 because this is the borrowed money. I'm in debt. 借金があります。This kanji comes from this verb 貸します to lend 貸します I lend you 貸します These two verbs are very easy to confuse 借ります and 貸します借ります the sound of R 借ります So you may think receive So I receive something I borrow something 借ります借ります This is group 2 and 貸します I lend you 貸します The first sound is the same か but kanji is different Negation of this verb 借ります to borrow This is second group This is irregular one 借ります借りる借りて借りた借りない and 貸します This is group 1 I lend you 貸します貸す貸して貸した貸さない I will lend you my umbrella 傘を貸しますよ傘を貸しますよ House for rent 貸し屋 I'm looking for a house for rent The verb 探します to look for, to seek and there are two different kanjis and each one has got a different meaning. Do you know which one to use now? Then you can watch my grammar video number 6 of Jlpt N4 and there I explain very detailed about this 探します and 探します this difference. Well, in this case, in this sentence, we must use this second one with this one. But please watch that video, then you'll understand why we must use this one and not this one. 貸し屋を探しています。貸し屋を探しています。Oh, there it is. There is a house for rent. あそこに貸し屋がありますよ。Now let's see the difference between 借家 and 貸し屋。借家 this is a rented house or tenant because this kanji 借ります the house that I borrowed. So 借家 is from the point of view of the person who pays money each month to live there. This is 借家。On the other hand, 貸し屋 this kanji 貸します to lend or to rent. So the house for rent. So 貸し屋 this is from the owner's point of view. So when you say in English for rent, then this is 貸し屋 as I don't have my own house, so I live in a leased house. 自分の家を持っていません。自分の家を持っていませんから借家に住んでいます。自分の家を持っていませんから借家に住んでいます。This kanji means to begin 始まる intransitive verb 始める transitive verb. And its onyomi is し to start, to launch, to get started. 開始します。We can say the synonym 始まります。開始します。But we can use 始まります in much more occasions than 開始します。Something that hasn't begun yet before, but now this begins. In this case, the both is the same meaning. One of the differences is 始まる and 始める sounds more natural in the conversation. 開始します to launch, to get started. In this case, it sounds more official and more polite. In many occasions, this 開始します is written. 開始します has got only one meaning to get started, but 始まる and 始める has got more meanings. Flowers begin to bloom. In this case, we can't use this verb 開始します, but we use 始まります or 始めます。花が咲き始まりましたよ。花が咲き始まりましたよ。When some habits or bad habits begin, we can use also 始まる or 始める, but never 開始します。Oh, I start making excuses again. Here we can't use the verb 開始します。We use 始めます。An excuse, a pretext, 言い訳、言い訳。また言い訳を始めちゃった。また言い訳を始めてしまいました。また言い訳を始めちゃった。The founder, the originator, 創始者。Who is the founder of robotics development? Development. 開発。Only adding other noun here, in this case, ロボット開発. This means robotics development. Other example, 宇宙, this word, 宇宙, space or the universe. So 宇宙開発, this is the space development. ロボット開発の創始者。ロボット開発の創始者は誰ですか？ロボット開発の創始者は誰ですか？ This kanji means to end, to finish. アルゴが終わる、アルゴを終える。There are two parts in this kanji. The left part, in this case, 糸編。糸, it means thread. And this one, 作り, this is, in this case, 冬, winter. And writing all together, this means to finish, to end. Now the stroke order. At first, this part of thread, this red one, 1, and then this black one, 2, blue one, 3. And now here, this is the 小さい, small, but this green line quite long. 1, and this red one, and black one. Now this part, winter, and this one is not difficult. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. What time will you finish the work? 何時に仕事が終わりますか？何時に仕事が終わりますか？ The first train of the day, the first run, 始発, and the last train of this day, or the last train, 終電. I returned home on the last train of the day. 終電に乗ってを終電で帰りました。終電に乗って帰りました。終電で帰りました。The last stop, the terminal station. 終点。This is the point. So, 終で終わります。Ending point. Terminal station. To come to an end. To finish. To close. 終了します。終了します。ending time, leaving time, closing time. 終了時間。The final episode. 最終回。最終回。It's already the final episode next week. 来週もう最終回です。来週も最終回です。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目。How about meeting at the Starbucks in front of the station? This super famous cafe, Starbucks. We write like this, Starbucks. But we usually say, in short way, スタバ。2番目。My friend Mr. Akiyama lent me this book. In this case, Mr. Akiyama-san, I want you to write in kanji. Aki, this is autumn, fall, aki. Yama, mountain. 3番目、最後です。The work begins at 9 a.m. and finishes at 5 p.m. We learned 5 new kanjis of verbs that we use quite a lot. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. いかがでしたか？今日も新しい漢字を5つ勉強しました。今回の漢字も動詞の漢字でとてもよく使われますから、ぜひ覚えてくださいね。この動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンと、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてお願いがあります。ぜひ私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。少しでも多くの方の日本語学習に役に立ってもらいたいなと思っているんです。これからも一生懸命頑張っていこうと思っていますので、ぜひ応援してください。次のビデオも見逃さないで絶対に来てくださいね。じゃあまた会いましょう。